Hi, my name is Antti Ketola from Quant. Today we want to share with you an important piece of our best practices, an effective business intelligence platform that is helping our customers and maintenance organizations achieve set targets, lead continuous improvement initiatives in operations, and monitor results. It's important to have easy access to essential maintenance indicators, and the Quant Operational KPI reporting platform has been built to meet these needs. This platform has also demonstrated its effectiveness in consolidating data from our sites globally and has changed the way we follow, lead and communicate our operations. Ultimately, it's about ensuring high production efficiency and competitiveness by focusing on the selected set of indicators and leading the processes behind them. Our Operational KPI reporting platform focuses on 7 standard indicators, representing a balanced set of common and usable metrics for many stakeholders. PM ratio measures the proportion of preventive maintenance tasks to total maintenance tasks. PM on time tracks the percentage of preventive maintenance tasks completed on schedule. Backlog indicates the amount of pending maintenance work. Emergency work ratio measures the proportion of emergency maintenance tasks to total maintenance tasks. Schedule compliance tracks adherence to the planned maintenance schedule. Technical availability measures the availability of equipment for production. RCA per breakdown ratio tracks the ratio of root cause analyses performed to breakdowns. These KPIs provide a comprehensive view of maintenance performance and are valuable for various stakeholders, including maintenance teams, management, and customers. The business intelligence platform is built with Microsoft Azure components and Power BI, enabling robust data collection and analysis. It gathers inputs from data warehouses containing information from maintenance management systems and other sources. Additionally, the system allows for customization and automation from other Power BI sources, providing flexibility to meet both customers and Quant's data needs. One of the key benefits for our customers is the delivery of more standardized reporting. This ensures consistency and clarity of the information received. Additionally, customers can access reports directly through the Power BI platform, enhancing transparency and collaboration. This system also supports and demonstrates Quant's value proposition, showcasing the tangible benefits we deliver. As part of implementing the reporting platform, benchmark levels for different industries have been more closely studied and applied, ensuring that our performance metrics are relevant and accurate. This also means that pursuing operational excellence at sites is more coordinated and supported, emphasizing the importance of fully utilizing the CMMS system. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our global operational KPI reporting platform. We hope this presentation has provided you with valuable insights into how our system can enhance reporting and maintenance performance for benefit of our customers worldwide. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you and have a safe rest of the day.